Hi guys, welcome to Exploring Excel. In this video, we'll be applying all the skills we've learned in the previous basics video. So let's get started. We have three ranges here: a revenue range, costs range, and a profit range. What we want to do is first calculate the profit per month per product, and then calculate the total, determine the average, summarize the total, and determine overall net profit or loss. So what can we do? We do to get to this. July, for example, press equal to go into formula mode. Select D8, which is July revenue for apples, less K8, which is costs for apples in July. Press enter, and we've got a loss of $74. In the previous video, I showed that you could drag a formula down or sideways, but you can't just go diagonally. So what we're going to do is we're going to drag it sideways, and we've got a monthly amount for each product. Then, while the range is selected, if you hover over to the bottom right, you'll see the plus sign. Just double click, and Excel will drag the formula down for you, and ensuring everything seems to be alright, you would just press F2 to just compare one of the formulas. January bananas 1643 less costs January for bananas 977, press enter, 666. So it looks like the formula is right. Now what we want to do is determine the total. So let's determine the total. You could press equal to, type sum, select the entire range that you want to add up, close your brackets, enter, and you've got the sum. Another way of doing this is by pressing Alt and holding it, and then pressing equal to. Excel is smart enough to pick the closest range and select it for you. Then all you have to do is verify the range. Now, in this case, I just want to update the range to 19. Not that it would make a difference because the cell above cell 20 is empty. So E20 is empty. Enter. What you can do is you can copy the formula, Control C, Control V. You can select a range, Control V, Control V. So what we've determined is the total, costs, and profit. Now what we want is the average. So you press equal to, type average, bracket, select the range, close your range, enter. Copy your formula, 1, 2, copy to the range. If you want to select multiple ranges, you could just hold Control, select another range, Control V, I'll just paste the formula into multiple ranges. To get out of this selection mode, just press press Escape. Now we've got the total revenue, we've got the total costs, and we've got the total profit. But what if you want to see this in a summary table here? What you could do is you could equal to sum of all of this, enter, equal to sum of all of this, sum of all of this, enter. Now you want to determine the profit or loss, so you could either go sum and that's your net profit, or you could press equal to total revenue minus total costs. These are some of the basic functions and how you would handle them. You could could now update the formatting. So you could select entire range, go up to your ribbon, there's an option called merge and center, click that, select your range, merge and center, select your range, merge and center, and you've got a summary of total revenue, total costs, and net profit. You could maybe change the formatting here,